Hello students, today we will discuss about how to fill the university examination form of first year second semester. Okay, and you must know your PRN number and eligibility number. So first we have to update your profile. Okay, now let's see the stepwise procedure. Just you can open your Google Chrome. In that you can type SPPU exam form. Now submit this. Now you can have this screen. Now you can click student login exam form online. Again scroll down, again click on this login, again scroll down, and now in student section you have to click on this again login. Now see, you can have your login credentials here. So in first semester examination, if you have login by using email ID, then you have to log in here also by using email ID, or you can log in by using your mobile. Okay, now I am having the login details of one of the students. Okay, now I will log in with his number. I will enter the password. You have to enter the captcha and click on this login. Now see students, after login you can have this screen. So in this screen you can find learning mode, it is regular, course enrollment, BE/ENTC, college information, personal information, and profile. So see, okay, so before updating profile or before exam form filling, okay, you have to update your profile. That means you have to update here your PRN number and eligibility number. Once you log in, please don't click on this exam form link. If you click on this exam form link, then you can find the previous semester subjects. Okay, so before this you have to update your PRN number and eligibility number. Now let us do that. Click on this update profile. Okay, now select field that you want edit in below drop down list. So click on this drop down. So we have to update eligibility and mobile number. Click on this eligibility mobile number. Okay, now you have this question, have you got eligibility number from university? Say yes. Now you have to type your eligibility number. So see students, Gaikwad sir has sent you one PDF which with your eligibility number, so you can find. So I will enter. And again next, once you enter, again read next question, have you got PRN number from university? Say yes. Hope all of you have your PRN number. Now I will enter the PRN number. Now you have to update this, so click on this update. Okay, I will again check this. Just a minute, we'll update eligibility number. Just 1 minute. Okay, now I will enter it again. I will enter again PRN number. So you have to enter correct details. Now I will update this. So please be careful, you have to enter correct PRN number and this. Once you submit it, you can have this message, PRN number and IB number updated in profile. Say click on this OK, and now you can go for exam form filling. Now click on this exam form, again go to down, and again you can proceed it. Okay, now here you can find two options, first and second. So in first option, read it, first year, so arts, science, commerce and law. So it is for only these students. So select second option and again create new application. Click on that new application. Again here you can find your details. Okay, scroll down and again click on this next. Okay, once you click on that next, you can find this screen. So here see, read first one. If your branch is production sandwich, okay, so it is for these branches only, so you can select second option. Once you select second option, you can find your subject. See, regular subject 1 2 3 4 5 6. In regular subject, first one is democracy, election and governance. Okay, so we cannot do any changes in regular subject details. Okay, so keep as it is. You can check it. Environmental studies, yes, we have graphics, yes, mathematics to physical education and to project based learning, so keep as it is. Now we have to select optional subject. Okay, now we can select this. Okay, so you have, so we are from ENTC department, so we are having engineering chemistry for second semester. Next we are having basic electronics engineering. Be careful while filling this, selecting the subject. And optional subjects 3, we are having programming and problem solving. Click that and you can submit it. So once we submit it, again scroll down. Okay, so it will ask, yes, that checkpoints. Click on that checkpoint and again scroll down and confirm and print. Okay, now see, once you confirm and print, so you can find the status of your application. So it is complete and you can take printout. So click on that printout. Okay, so once you click on that printout, you can, your exam form will save in PDF form. So see students, again you can cross check your subject. Okay, at last you can find you have to pay total fees to be paid, it is 1000 rupees. Okay, so take printout of this and at top side you can find one barcode. About that barcode you can write your roll number. Okay, class roll number. Okay, so this is the procedure, how to fill exam form and how to update your PRN number and eligibility number. So see students, before clicking on that exam form link, you have to update your profile. You have to update your PRN number and eligibility number, and then you can go for exam form filling. So this is all about exam form filling. Now we will discuss about how to pay the examination fee by using PCCUR website. Okay, just a minute. Again, okay, we can open the new tab. We can type here PCCOER, open the college website. Once you open the college website, please scroll down. You can find that link. Just a minute. Okay, now see, at last you can find fee, pay fee with PayU money. So click here, pay with PayU money. You can find new site window. Okay, now see, you can enter your details here. Okay, enter details here, and then see in payment description you have to select examination fee, and we have to pay 1,000 rupees. Okay, we have to pay 1,000 rupees. Okay, then you can click on this make payment. Once you click, you can have three options. You can pay the examination fee by card payment, by internet banking, and by wallet. You can select any one. Okay, and please pay the examination fee 1,000 rupees. Once you pay the examination fee, you can find its receipt on your email id. But see, see students, okay, in some cases you cannot find that exam form fee paid receipt on your email id. So once you can find that success on your screen, you can take screenshot. Okay, keep with you, and please take printout of fee paid receipt, attach to your exam form, and you can submit to me, or you can take signature of your class teacher. Okay, and then you can submit that form to office, college office. Okay students, so hope you understand how to fill examination form and how to fill examination form fee. Okay, if any doubt, you can directly call me. Thank you all.